Let's explore the features that are available and where you can find them in the different apps. The magnifying glass icon is a search function and appears in the same place across all apps. Clicking this gives you a box where you can search through the book for a word or a phrase. In this example, we choose Creation Mandate, and it brings up any page that both words are seen together. It will even search the glossary to find the term and definition. Reader Preferences is the AA icon at the top. For desktop users, you can turn on Night Display, which gives you a sepia tone to the display. Zooming in, you can also make the pages larger. You even have the option to change the page view from height to width. Clicking on the highlighters will allow the user to change the speed and color of the highlighter being used. Sharing will allow you to share your highlighter colors with others and you to follow theirs. This is not sharing highlighted notations with others. The next icon is the paper with a star or the workbook. Here you can take notes, highlight, and create flashcards. Annotations are used to create notes and store your notes in one place to study when time for review. Flashcards are created by you or the student and make an excellent study option. They are stored in a deck that can be named for later use, like Chapter 1. On the deck is a study button that will allow the student to move through the cards and present them with options that they know the card or they don't. Once the student has moved through the cards once, when they come back to the deck, they are asked if they want to study all the cards or just the weak cards. To create a deck of terms, use the search to find the term in the glossary. Now highlight the definition and click on the highlighted text. In the list, you choose Create a Flashcard. In the other text box, you simply type the term and click Save. Once the student is proficient at knowing the terms and definitions can be switched by using the arrows here. This will present the student with just the terms and add a little bit more of a challenge to their study time. For the younger students, it will be quicker for the parent to create these flashcards. However, the older student might find this a valuable study resource. The flashcards and decks are available on any device, but the process of creating the cards is easier from a computer. Bookmarks will save your place. These digital flags can be useful to mark glossary pages, a page that has a formula on it, or anything that might interest you or your student. These options under the work text icon are the same for both versions, app or web. Clicking on the text on the page will bring up several options. From here, you can add a note, create a flashcard, and read aloud. The last option is for Wikipedia and will take you or your student to an external website. For this option, highlight the word and then click on Look Up on Wikipedia and it will search for the term. The eTextbook has a tool called Read Aloud. This option will use the device text-to-speech capabilities. From the website, you will find this option under the three dots at the top right corner. This will turn on the settings at the top of the screen. The settings icon will allow you to change the voice type from male to female and change the speed. On a mobile device, clicking on the text will bring up the bookshelf icons. The Read Aloud feature is the speaker at the bottom right. This will bring down the settings for the voice player. You can begin by clicking the play button. Using the fast forward and rewind will take you to the next section in that direction. Under the settings icon, you are only presented with the option to change the reading speed. Clicking the text-to-speech output will take you to the mobile device settings and will allow you to change the language. Here we can see there are three options. It will allow you to change the pitch and rate of the voice from here as well. The Bookshelf app on the iOS has the option to define a term when clicking on the text. This option is provided to the user from the new Oxford American Dictionary. This option is in beta features on the browser version and not available for Android and Kindle apps. Once created, your VitalSource account can be viewed from any device for up to 4 devices, 2 computers and 2 mobile devices.